Did you know polar bears are classified as marine mammals? They spend most of their lives on the sea ice of the ocean for their food and habitat. Polar bears are the only bear species to be considered marine mammals. The bear's swimming prowess is legendary. However, longer distances between ice floes exhaust even the most experienced swimmers. Many, especially the young, succumb to the treacherous waters. They can swim constantly for days at a time, reaching speeds of up to 6 miles per hour in the water. Beneath all that thick fur, polar bears have jet black skin. The polar bear's fur is also translucent and only appears white because it reflects visible light. Polar bears are apex predators dependent on seals for sustenance. The receding ice makes seal hunting a daunting task, pushing the bears to the brink of starvation. Less than 2% of polar bear hunts are successful. Please like, share, and subscribe.